Welcome to this channel. Please enable to subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back once again to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel if this is your first time on this channel, or if you haven't done that, and then like this video as soon as you're done watching it. All right, you can share it and comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you. Okay, we'll be looking at how to design a business card using Pixellab, a very captivating business card. So all you will do here, after opening your Pixellab, you change the size of this space. Go to image size, and then change the height to 5, and then the width to 9. This is approximately the standard size of a business card. So we are done with this. What we are going to do here is you tap on this place, and then you go to from gallery. This is the material we'll be making use of. So you can just check the description for the materials I'll be using for this design. You can see that we've changed the background of this. So what we do next is let's import shape. Go to this plus sign, and then you go to shapes. Take this square shape, can move it here, and then increase the length this way. You position it like this, and then you change the color. Go to color. Sorry, first of all you go to this middle one, because the last one is for changing background. So you go to this middle one, and then go to color, enable it. We'll be making use of this color. We'll be making use of this color. So if this color combination is not in your Pixellab, I will show you the color code. This is the color code, so you can just write it down, and then type it manually into your Pixellab. So you select this particular color. All right, let's move it here. Good. So we'll be taking another shape. You can go to this plus sign, go to shapes, and then select circle. Increase the size, and you change the color of this circle to suit the background color. So you go down to color, enable it, and then tap on this plus sign. Once you tap here, you tap here on this pencil icon, the one on the first one. You see that this is the background we are making use of, so it will appear this way, and you mark good. Once you mark good, this color will be formed this way. So you can see that this circle color is blending with the background. So this is how we did it. You can copy this circle, reduce the size, and then you change the color. Go to color. This is the color we are making use of, so you select this. Can reduce the size so it will fit in well. Good. Copy this circle again, copy it, and then you go down to color. You mark it this way so that all the color will be erased, and mark good. Then you go to texture. You go to texture. This is the image we'll be making use of for this design. So you can just pick it, tap on this square place to make it square, and then you move it upwards this way. Mark good. You can see how it's appearing now. But had it been we made use of the whole picture, it won't be nice. It won't look nice. You can equally practicalize it and see how it will look like. All right, so just position it well. I will make use of this position. Good. So we'll be adding the details of this lady here, the owner of this business card. We can just import the materials we're making use of from gallery. This is the first material. So you reduce the size, and then you change the color to this. Good. We'll be getting another material. So you go to your gallery, get this. You can just reduce the width. Good. Reduce the size also, and then you change the color to this. All right, let's import the last material from gallery. This is a location icon. So you can just crop it out and then mark good. Change the color also. Go down to color, select this. Reduce the size a bit again. I'll move this upwards a little. Good. Okay, so let's add the details. We can just go to A and then go to text, edit it. The name of this lady, let me assume is Frances Smith. Okay, go down to bold, make it bold, then reduce the size a little. You copy this, bring it down, you edit it also. Marketing manager. Okay, reduce the size, let it be smaller than the name, and then you place it under here this way. Go down to color, make use of this color, change the color to this. So let's copy this, and then move it down and edit. Add the telephone number of the owner of this business card. Plus, you can use 123. I'm just using this as sample, right? 0. So You can just reduce the size of this. Place it here. So you copy this. We are making the use of the same phone number. So you can just move it down here and then copy it again. This time around, you'll be adding the email. About investment. That's the name of the company. Okay. Copy this also. Then you move it down. This is the website of the company. Dot investment. .com. Okay. You copy this again. Why I'm copying them is for it to have the exact size, the same size with the others. That's why I'm copying them. So you can just add the location of the company here. Let me assume it's 125 New York City, USA. So we are done with the first part, the design of the first part of the Pixellab. Let's check whether they are aligned. Can make use of this. So they are not well aligned. So I can just select the text that is not well aligned and move it well. Good. I guess it's okay now. So let's save this. This is our first work. Save as image. You can save with JPG if you're printing it, but I'll be saving with PNG. And hi. We are done with this. So let's design the back of this Pixellab, of this business card. I need to say. And just go here. And then you mask all the details here. Just mask them. Good. You go to shapes, get this square shape, increase the size, tap here, and then you change the color to this because this is the color we've been using. Select circle, circle shape, change the color to this also, increase the size a bit, and then use this relative position to position it at the middle. Can move it up a little. Good. So you copy this circle, reduce the size a bit so it will be able to fit in here, and then you change the color to this. Remember the first color we combined, that's this. So change the color to it. Use this relative position also to position it at the middle. Good. We'll be taking the logo of this organization. Can just go to this from gallery. You can check the videos, the recent videos, how this logo was designed is there. So you can just watch the video and then learn how this logo was designed. And check the video, is down there. Let's change the color. Go down to color, enable it, and then pick this. Sorry. Reduce the size so it will be able to fit in. Good. Pick a text. Go to text and then you edit it. Bold investment agency. Okay, you move it here and then you make it bold. And just reduce it this way. I'll make use of this. Good. I guess is okay now. So you can copy this, copy it, move it down here, and then write the website of this company, which is www.goodinvestment.com. Change the color to black. Sorry, not black. Change the color to this. And then use this to position it at the middle. Can just increase the size a little. Good. So you copy this, move it here, and then you edit it. This company is a real estate agent, so you can just write real estate real estate dealer. Okay, change the color of this to black, and then you reduce the size. Can use this to move it here. Good. So this is the back of this business card. You can just save it. Let's save it. Save it as image. I'll be saving it with PNG and hi. So you can just save it to your gallery. But you can save it as project for reference purposes. So you can just tap here. We'll be importing the two business cards now. Tap here from gallery. This is the first one. Tap here from gallery. Then this is the second one. So this is the business card. If you want to print it, that means you have to send it individually. You won't have to send it together this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is useful to you, share this video, like this video, and comment on how useful this video is to you, right? I'll be expecting your feedback. Thank you so much once again for being here. God bless you.